Okay, so we have the code here, right? Okay, this one to load the data, okay, the samples that we can link to our database. Okay, so now we have this, right? Okay, you can have a copy lah, because this one you don't kacau, right? You don't want to touch it, so you can copy this coding. Okay, we open another one lah. I make it empty here. Okay, I put a login to here. Okay, I put login to here. Okay, so now I create another script. Okay, where can I scripting okay, mono behavior script, right? Okay, so we put it, for example, like login to. Okay, I put login to. Okay, now we double click our login to. Okay, double click this your class, right? Okay, copy paste, and your class you change to login to. Okay, so now this is the sample code that we connected to the database. Now we have this connect. Okay, in our login, okay, we have a login.php, correct or not? Okay, so now, okay, we copy this one done, class. Okay, so class, I teach you how. Okay, now we have this already, class. We have this class. Okay, for your reflection, okay, we'll have the. Still remembers that we have a local host and then log in. Okay, so this is the one we want, right? This URL, right? This is a sample URL that we want. Okay, so now, okay, we put it this one as your reference, correct or not? This is the command. So now, okay, our server, this one is an example for connect to, correct or not? Now we want to swap this one to this one. We want to put this one and this one inside. How? Okay, can? So, first thing, we'll have our this one, correct or not? Okay, we can put it inside this one. Okay, we can put it inside. Okay, so you want passing the two also can, okay, you want put inside also can. Okay, so now look at this. Okay, we get this one, we put here, correct or not? Okay, so we'll get the text here, correct or not? We get this one, right? We want this, correct or not? So, okay, where do you think I need to put? We need click button and then only send to the URL, correct or not? Okay, so now we, okay, have a function, click button, right? Okay, so login submission, correct or not? Okay, here we put the string. Sorry. Okay, now we have this already. After that, class, any idea? Okay, so we get this one and this one, email and password. Then we want to put inside to this one, correct or not? Correct or not? We want to replace our new, correct or not? Okay, so now, okay, we have the server URL. Okay, so copy this equals to, how to write? Is it this one? Correct or not? Right? This one is a string, correct? Okay. Okay, so plus email we have already. So we need to replace this email, correct or not? This one. Okay, plus. So this one, correct or not? This one to this one. Is it? So plus, copy this one. Okay, plus, this one is what? Plus, what's this? Yeah, password. So copy this one. So our URL is like this already, correct or not? Okay. So you can either use this one or use plus signs. Okay, remember if you want to use this one, you need to have a dollar sign here. Okay. Then you can directly have a bracket and then the parameters. Okay, now we have this URL already, right? Okay, we wanted to sending our server URL. Okay, we check. So check. Okay, so he will put it this one, right? Send to server. So this one is, it will be start, okay, without pressing the button. When you start the script, start the Unity, okay, debug the Unity, it will run this already. So this one, we will run after this, okay? It will run after I click the submit button, okay? So now let's try it. Okay. What is? Okay. Remember to on your wampserver first, class. Okay, and my sample data is Gmail 345. Okay, so we'll log in gmail.com 345. So log in. So the ID will be 3. Is it okay? So now you can check your this one localhost. Your localhost. Okay, phpmyadmin here. Okay, so now user profile and the ID is 3. Is it okay? So this coding you attach to this login and put these 2 input field inside here. Okay, then after that, okay, open your button here, you change your button to this login to login submission. Then you click, then done. Okay,